Hello guitar freaks, my name is Bazok and that was my funky lick. Today I'm gonna show you how to play it and explain how to use sequences. Grab your guitar and let's get started. As you probably know, in music, repetition legitimizes. Here in the lick I'm using 7 notes pattern. Taka di mi takite, taka di mi takite, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. Can you see the sequence? Here it is, 7 notes pattern, then it's repeated and repeated and repeated, and you know the rest. At the beginning I use C minor pentatonic scale over C minor 7 chord, which fits perfectly. Then I stretch the changes a little bit. I start playing over F7 right here and I use F7 sharp 11th arpeggio to add some flavor to it. As you can see, we have here flat 7th of F7, then root, major 3rd, root, sharp 11th, major 3rd, root, and so on. Then I go back to C minor pentatonic scale, as you can see right here, and at the end I use major 3rd of F7th and I play it as a drunken band. That's all folks, thank you for watching, don't forget to download the tab if you need it, have a nice one, grab your guitar and keep playing.